quickly load and unload trucks, trailers, and rail cars from the ground level when no freight dock exists with the steel yard ramp. Steel yard ramps increase productivity while reducing material handling costs. It's great for construction sites. A manual 2-speed hand crank for easy one-person height adjustment offers a service range of 45 to 62 inches. Our line of steel yard ramps are available in 30 foot of straight ramp or 36 foot overall length, 30 foot of straight ramp, and 6 foot level off. The standard features include 8-inch steel wheels, positive traction open steel grating, safety locking chains, 4-inch high steel safety curbs, rubber bumpers, usable lip support edge, tow bar pocket, and welded steel construction. Painted neutral earth tone brown. All units must ship from a flatbed truck. Our line of steel yard ramps are also available with hydraulic edge-o-dock or a mechanical edge-o-dock. Optional equipment available include pneumatic tire and hand pump, forklift pick slots, tow bar hitch, an additional tow bar pocket, high guardrail option, and high steel handrails.